Hey, what's going on, guys? Sunday here, and dudes, as you can see by the title, I lost a bet. In our last 100 ways to die, I said at the end, even though I won, that I would do the challenge alongside of Crainer. And we asked you guys to leave down in the comments some challenge ideas. And as you can tell by the title, we picked a challenge, but here's some of the challenges that you guys suggested. The freak is wrong with you? Scally Mally 8 hours ago. Loser has to eat one little spoon of acid. Do you want us to melt our insides? The freak is wrong with you? Hacker Gaming 2 hours ago. Decapitate your arm. I think it will be fun. Shave your eyebrows. Oh. Yeah, no, I would look even more ugly than I already do. Okay, so as you guys know, we're doing not jelly, slime bath challenge mixed with lemon and lime juice. Plus, we have I have another challenge within a challenge with Crainer. I'll explain that in a little bit. So, dudes, if you guys enjoy this video, enjoy these challenges, of course, hit the like button down below. Show your support. And also, if you're at all new to my channel and enjoy this video, hit that subscribe button if you're new and want more videos. And if you do subscribe, let me know down in the comments. I'll be sure to comment, reply to as many of you as I can. And, yes, okay. Let's go do the slime thingy. Well, let's friggin' do this. We have the bathroom all set up. I got the freaking lemon. So normally you're only supposed to use one of these packets per bath. We're gonna put all 4. Is there more? We're gonna put all 6. You ready?
We're ready. You're gonna destroy
Look how thick this is.
You're only supposed to use one?
You're only supposed to use 1 per bath. I use 6.
Oh.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Colton, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
It feels so gross. Oh, it's slippery.
Okay, get in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! It doesn't even look like you're in bathwater.
Keep in mind, don't use 6. Just use 1.
Try to roll around. Don't inhale. No, we're losing some. Is it heavy?
Yeah. Okay. Colton, can you get the lemon juice? That's the next challenge. Okay, you gotta pour it in my mouth. My hands are gross. Okay, here we go.
Watch out for his eyes.
Don't put it in my eyes.
Squeeze it. Okay.
You got some on the floor.
my gosh. Alright, so we got a challenge with Crainer. I'll show you that in a second. But first, Madeline,
Yes.
cannonball time.
Oh my, do I need to, let's see if I can try to catch this.
Are you ready?
I'm gonna break our floor.
Make sure you get a shot of the pink stuff flying.
Do you need me to back up more because I can't see your head if I'm up here?
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Cole, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
That sounded painful. Do snow angels down there.
Snow angels.
Beautiful. Just keep swimming.
It's so heavy. Oh, this is a workout. Oh.
Your hair just like lays on top of it. That's
Does
what I
it?
think it is.
All right, you ready for the challenge? What we have to do, me and Crainer are both gonna be who can hold their breath the longest under this. All right, and we have a song. The song is gonna be our timer. As soon as you hit play, I'm gonna sunk my head under there and hold my breath for as long as I
Let's
can.
do a test.
All right, you ready?
Not really.
Oh gosh. Okay, hold on. I got a drink. What we have to do is we have to put lemon juice in our mouth and then hold it in our mouth the entire time we're holding our breath.
Oh my gosh, don't inhale this.
And the loser of this, the next 100 ways to die we do, the loser has to drink lemon juice during that video. Ready?
Yep. Oh my gosh. Is it in your nose?
Oh my.
How does it taste? Like roses?
Terrible.
Here.
Your
What?
hair looks great.
Do I look beautiful?
Yeah,
Am I a pretty princess?
the prettiest I've ever seen.
So apparently this stuff, whenever you're done with your bath, you pour it in. Right? And it's supposed to turn it back into water. It's actually working. Oh, that is so cool. I'm a giant child. I'm a big man baby.
I've never been more proud.
Oh, that is sick. Look at that. It's actually loosening up.
Oh, you're getting it on. Oh, my face.
Did I get it?
Yes.
Also, you got it on my foot.
Oh, that is cool. Okay, so that's how you do this. So it's safe for your tub. Look at this. It's actually loosening up. That is cool. But, dudes, for now, I'm going to end this here. The giant man baby is signing off. If you guys have enjoyed, of course, hit that like button down below. And if you're new to my channel and want more of this, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.